Hi, good morning, everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you about what are the new functionalities are added to inventory management in S/4HANA. Okay, so it comes under the supply chain overall. So I provide that SAP official link where you can go through the more details and you can read each and every step what is given and how to implement all the information you can definitely get in that. So if you see that inventory management wise, what are the key things were added in 2023? So in Fury apps for barcode scanning, you can do for the goods received, and you can schedule the mass deletion of completed manual reservations from system. Okay, after completion, you can schedule for a mass deletion, which are not required like that. So if you go to the SAP official site, okay, so this is the official site. Once you come to the official site, go to supply chain. I have provided the link in the comment and also in the description. So go to supply chain, and in supply chain, you can filter inventory. Whether you want to say supply chain covers the warehousing means extended warehouse management, inventory management, and delivery and transportation, advanced order promising. So all these things are part of the supply chain. If you see in S/4HANA supply chain, mostly these are covered in area. So go to inventory. In inventory, whether you want to check it like any function or category function or authorization related or app related, any new things are added in the app. Okay. So you can see only three new things are added in 2023. So if you see that details, right? Mass deactivate planning status. With this feature, okay, with this feature, you can set the planning status to marked for deactivation for the selection of products and either plants or MRP areas by using this report. So by using this report, you can deactivate the planning status for certain products apply or MRP area. You don't want to do the planning, so you can deactivate it. Okay, it's a function. So it's a completely new function. You can see here, it's a completely new function and valid as of in S/4HANA 2023 FPS 01. It's not a change function, it's a brand new. And IAM objects in inventory. Okay, what is IAM? Changes to identity and access management objects have been delivered to inventory. So in the goods moment, it's like if you want to see what is this IAM. Okay. So more about this data. So you can see all the details like what are the IAM objects and the respective information you can go through here. So when it was introduced, whether it's a new functionality, so all these available for public. Another one, job scheduling. Just now I highlight that one, right? You can schedule job to delete all the manual reservations. That also a new functionality is added. You can go through and when you're working for a new project in on-premise related things, definitely you can understand that what are the new functionalities are added recently. If the business is required, you immediately don't go for a customization. First, check this official SAP website. What are the new functionalities are available? If you're not sure that, you can even raise SAP note to understand to get it. But first you go through these things, then you can go for SAP note. Finally, customization we have to reduce as much as we can. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you got an idea and you got how to verify, and this will be helpful for you. Please go through the link and check whatever details you wanted to verify. Thank you. Thanks for watching.